who care about every detail, we proudly present a bottle rack that will transform your parenting experience. The Pappu Bottle Rack holds up to 6 bottles, complete with space for nipples and caps. The tray features drainage holes to prevent water buildup, keeping everything clean and safe. Made from 100% high-quality BPA-free material. Easy to assemble, no tools required. Just a few simple steps and it's ready to use. Dripping milk flows directly into the built-in water tray. Compact size for easy portability and convenient placement anywhere in your home. Caution: wash with warm water and soap, then rinse thoroughly. Dishwasher safe, top rack only. Avoid solvents, harsh chemicals, or detergents, as they may damage the product. Packed with features that care for every detail to ensure your baby's safety. Order now here. Discover more products here or through the link below the description. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss our new content.